Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry about not having a video here for everybody for, a little over 3 weeks. A lot going on. We're good. Had a lot of my fans out there wondering about me. Worried Richard from UK there. Thank you very much for sending me that message, being concerned. I really appreciate that. And Mike, of course, you're always, you and your wife. Thank you again for all the concern and kind words. Everything's good. Been working a lot, and I had that limited run here that I mentioned about last time here, and finished up with those. By the time you folks see this, what the hell am I kicking on here? Anyway, did I mention I was tired? Because yeah, all right. So. I had like 11, 12, 13, 14 knives I was working on at the same time, and wow, lots going on. I don't really like doing that many at one time. It's really hard on the neck when you're at the grinder, you know. Hammering's okay. I don't mind that stuff. That works just fine. But boy, that grinder really can wear the neck out. Anyhow, just wanted to give a shout out here to Wayne. Wayne, sorry you're not able to stop by the shop here and pick up your knife. You're welcome here anytime, so just give me a yell and come on up and visit or whatever. But there's your knife. I got to put the lanyard in it for you, and we'll get that shipped out. But here's a quick look at it there. This is that small hunter. This is one of those ones that was made from the John Deere coil spring. Okay, these sell like crazy. Jeez. And like I said, that's the Vermont reclaimed white oak that's in. Nice little knife. Very popular. I'll be making more of these too, so, you know. Not going to be doing any limited runs for a little while. Concentrating primarily right now on filling back orders. But when I'm doing that, I'll make extra ones, one or two. So, speaking of that, anyway, Wayne, you'll be getting your knife here. I'll be shipping that out like we talked here next week sometime. On Monday. Okay. So, that limited run that I've been working on, like I said, I actually made 3 more. Okay, I don't know how the hell I did that, but it just turned out that way. And I actually have 3 more that I'm going to be putting up on my site. What the hell's today? Oh, okay. Today's Wednesday the 8th, May 8th. All right, so either tomorrow or Friday, these are going to be going up on the site. All right, there's the sheath on that one. Now, I'm showing this one because this one's early. I've said this before about some of the wood. Tiger is awesome, but every once in a while I have a piece of it, and it looks normal until I put the finish on, and it just the grain just explodes. And yeah, boy, I don't know if we're getting the color in the video here of that, but boy, it's just a beautiful piece of wood. That side in particular. Mercy. Whew. Yep. These are cool knives. Just the right size. Got jimping on the back, and the lanyard comes with each one of them. I don't know. But I can't keep it, so. I don't usually make knives for myself, although one of these days I will. I can get that back in there. Okay. That one's available, and 2 of the reclaimed chestnut handlewood. 2 of these. Okay, and 1 tiger are going to be available. Yeah, this is awesome wood. I talked about this in that last video. God only knows how old it is. The growth rings, you can't even count it. They're so tight together. And the barn was a couple hundred years old when it came down. And I can't even imagine how old this wood is. The history in this is just amazing, that type of wood. Anyway, those will be up. For those of you on my wait list, you'll be getting an email stating where, what day, and when they're available. So, and if you haven't joined the wait list, if you like, just join it. That'll notify everybody, whomever joins it, as to what I have available or whatever. There's like 247 people on there now, I think, something like that. Yeah, thank you. I try to appreciate all the interest. anyhow, so this one here, this one there, this is all the ones I've been working on. Oh, Jesus. Ooh, yep, okay, I don't think I can hold all of them. Anyway, those are, yeah, okay, all the same type, so I don't have to show everybody that. These are all on their way now, going to the customers that order them. I'm still filling back orders for other ones. Like I've said before, I'll be making extras of each one. And I'm doing a little bit of leather work here every once in a while, because, you know, every knife has a sheath, so it's just, you know, what the hell, I gotta, you know, it's, once in a while, I make something different. There's that. Okay, it's kind of a frontier possibles bag, they call it. Okay, it's really good for muzzle loaders and hunters. You know, you can put ammo in there and fishing gear and stuff like that. But it's kind of cool. It's got the drawstring thing. You know, you just kind of pull that up and open it up that way, and it's pretty deep too. Got made from real soft. Well, it's not that soft. Firm, medium firm tempered leather and oiled really good. So then you pull down on that, and there it's all tightened up. Anyway, it's a cool thing. That's up on the site right now too. And this one, which is still on there. Okay, anybody wants that, still available. I lowered the price down a little bit, did a sale. I don't know. I think everybody's kind of worried about that blade shape. I don't know why. But anyway, this is what the sheath is. Got a big, you know, bag area there, little compartment. And it's got that really cool, okay, that didn't work right. Let me do it this way. That's shot cord right there. Okay, so when you hit that, and it pops that out of the way, and it doesn't cut it when you take the knife out. Yeah, I know, it's cool. Yeah, what the hell. It's not my idea. I found it. Somebody else did it, so. You know, it's a good idea. And it comes with a ferro rod, and that's got shot cord on it too, and that's in Tiger also, as you can see. Yeah, nice knife. Anyhow, that's still up on the site. That's about it. Okay. No more limited runs, like I said, for a little while. What I'm doing is I'm just filling the back orders. Like I said, I'll make extras up, and then I'll put them up here and show everybody on my on my channel here what's coming available. And if you watch my, hold on a second. Oop, it's a little wobbly. How convenient. Well, you know, it's out of the way, and I got a lot of stuff on the table here. I'm trying to sell just, you know, coffee. Okay, a little noisy, but that's all right, because, you know, I got, there it is. Anyhow. Okay, everybody. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate all of it. We're getting closer to that super fan number there that I talked about all the time. Everybody's really been watching my, I think I have like 464. This will be 65 videos that I have. So people keep watching even though I haven't put up anything lately. But this is a new video, and I promise I'll try to keep one going every week if I can. Okay? Thanks again, everybody. And I did mention I was tired, didn't I? Yeah. More coffee. Okay, everyone. Catch you in the next one.